What does Easter look like when your city has just been bombed? Here in Beirut, it looks like this. As Orthodox Christians gather across the city to mark Easter Sunday, the sun has risen over scenes like this one. This building was hit on Wednesday in one of the more than 100 strikes that Israel launched across Lebanon in a 10-minute period. The people living here got no warning, and nobody in this neighbourhood can explain why it was targeted. This is an Orthodox Christian church. The Easter Sunday traditions are simple but powerful, and they have survived every war this country has been through.
In Lebanon, we've been through a lot, but we keep our traditions, and we'd love to celebrate Easter, especially Greek Orthodox. We usually overcome everything that we go through in Lebanon, and we are used to everything. We're very anxious and worried that we may not be able to celebrate as we usually do, but thank God we were able to do everything, and as you can see, the church is packed.
Easter is the most important of the Christian feasts, and of course we're going to be here to celebrate. Even in this region, we've decided to still come and be present here, although it's not 100% safe. And I think that what Christ has shown by suffering, by dying on the cross, we go through that almost every day, and I think it's great to pick our resilience from these Christian traditions.
We passed very hard week this week, especially. It's Easter. It's a blessing day. We have to survive, and we have to accept. We have to be happy. We have to be hope. I hope Lebanon becomes soon no wars, and all countries, of course. And we have a hope. We are living in a hope.